You know that's right.
What's up, YouTube land? It's your girl, ChinnaE, out here on these YouTube streets once again, coming to you live and in color with yet another one. Okay, so basically, I want to talk to you guys on this video about paidsocialmediajobs.com. That is paidsocialmediajobs.com. Okay, so basically, if you love social media sites like me, and if you love taking advantage and you know how to work a social media site and you love taking advantage of great opportunities they have for you to excel your page and excel your business or what have you, basically it's totally awesome for anyone that loves social media and knows how easy it is to utilize social media sites to their best advantages. So on paid social media jobs, you can basically, honestly, get more money than you've ever made before on a social media platform or network just for using your Facebook and Twitter accounts alone. So basically, paidsocialmediajobs.com utilizes Facebook and Twitter alone and lets you and shows you how to generate a nice sustainable residual income. Okay, so the way this website works and the way this website is set up is just totally unique, and it's not heavily saturated by spamming bots and buffoons. Okay, so paid social media jobs is also top ranked for their very legit presence online as far as helping people who never earned a dime online with the high platform social media sites. So if you're a newbie or if you're seasoned but you haven't made any money online using your social media platforms, this shows you how to utilize and make money on your platforms. If you never know how or never knew you could, you can. Okay, so they very much have to do so with what they have set in place, from what you already are used to using to what you will be using now. So you will be completing small job tasks through this site for good quiet money, and they pay through PayPal or send a check to you, whichever you prefer. If you know exactly how to utilize a back office, basically, if you can copy and paste, this is one of them. So basically, take advantage of what they have to offer here at paidsocialmediajobs.com. That is paidsocialmediajobs.com. Very legit, very on point. You can get paid just from Facebook and Twitter. Okay, and this is another site which I use to generate basically followers and views. I generate money as well. That's nothing. That's like a no-brainer. I don't want to always keep talking about that, but I do generate money. But it does, its sole purpose is to getting me views to my channels or websites or blogs. It does its job, okay? And you know, you can work. You say, oh, why do I need this? All I have to do is create a Facebook and social and Twitter account by myself and run it. But you don't know how to really run it. You don't know how to really get the followers or look for the certain influencers that you need on your squad so you can get your stuff in front of their crowds. Okay? Okay? So anybody thinking it's just that easy, it kind of is, but it's kind of not, because there is a learning curve. So if you think you know, you have no idea. Check it out. Get involved, get in tune with this paidsocialmediajobs.com website. It can definitely turn your whole thinking process around to where you can know how to make money of just your Facebook and Twitter account. Okay, so check that out, guys. Follow the links below. Follow the link below. Check out my blog. Check it out. Check out my blog. Check out this website. See if it's for you. If it's something you should put in your arsenal or leave behind. Either way, it's legit. So you can take advantage of the opportunity or not. It's up to you. My job is to tell you what's out here on these YouTube and internet streets. Okay, so there you have it for paidsocialmediajobs.com. That is paidsocialmediajobs.com. Okay, and remember, you haven't heard it till you heard it from me. It's your girl ChinnaE out here on these YouTube and internet streets, as you can see. So go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button, and always know there's more in store for you guys. Stay tuned, and I'll see you in the next vid.